Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that has sparked controversy, debate, and concern: government spying on Americans. Over the years, revelations of mass surveillance programs have raised serious questions about privacy, security, and the balance between individual freedoms and national safety. In this episode, we'll explore the history of spying on American citizens, key programs that have been exposed, and the ongoing debate over government surveillance. Let's uncover the truth behind this complex issue and its impact on everyday life. The history of government surveillance. Government surveillance of U.S. citizens is not a new phenomenon. From as early as the Cold War, intelligence agencies like the FBI and CIA have monitored individuals they deem to be a threat, including civil rights activists and political dissenters. Programs like COINTELPRO, which targeted figures like Martin Luther King Jr. and anti-Vietnam War protesters, were later revealed to have engaged in illegal wiretapping, infiltration, and harassment. However, after the tragic events of 9/11, surveillance escalated to an unprecedented level. The Patriot Act, passed in 2001, granted intelligence agencies broad powers to conduct surveillance on American citizens under the guise of counterterrorism efforts. This law allowed for the mass collection of data, including phone records, emails, and Internet activity, leading to a debate over privacy rights. Mass surveillance and the NSA. One of the most shocking revelations came in 2013, when Edward Snowden, a former contractor for the National Security Agency, NSA, leaked classified documents detailing extensive government surveillance programs. Snowden revealed that the NSA had been collecting massive amounts of data on millions of Americans, including their phone calls, text messages, and Internet activity, without warrants. This information was gathered under the PRISM program and other initiatives that allowed the NSA to tap into the databases of major tech companies like Google and Facebook. The leaked documents ignited a firestorm of controversy, raising questions about the legality and ethics of these surveillance practices. While some defended the NSA's actions as necessary to protect national security, others saw it as a clear violation of constitutional rights and a dangerous overreach of government power. The debate over privacy and security. The revelations of mass surveillance have ignited a fierce debate about the balance between national security and personal privacy. Supporters of these programs argue that they are essential for preventing terrorist attacks and keeping the nation safe. They claim that surveillance tools allow intelligence agencies to track potential threats before they can cause harm. On the other hand, critics argue that such widespread surveillance erodes civil liberties and violates the Fourth Amendment, which protects against unreasonable searches and seizures. The concern is that the government is collecting vast amounts of data on ordinary citizens who have no connection to criminal activity, leading to a loss of trust in both the government and tech companies that cooperate with surveillance efforts. The issue of government spying on Americans remains a deeply divisive topic. While surveillance programs may have been implemented with the goal of protecting national security, they also raise important questions about privacy, accountability, and the limits of government power. As technology continues to advance, the debate over surveillance and civil liberties will only intensify. If you found this exploration of government surveillance thought-provoking, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on future content. Let us know in the comments how you feel about government spying and if there are other topics you'd like us to cover. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.